Welcome back. Now we're going to continue from where we left to estimate the Curie depth, geothermal gradient, and heat flow. So continue from where we stopped, which is this. We have seen this is twice this minus this, 580 divided by this, 2.5 multiplied by this. That will give us this. All you need to do is to open our images while we save it the other time, which is this. Then we click this to open it. Now it's open. Then we'll click on this. First of all, let's open the Excel file so that we can split it. And I see, okay, select these two. Then now we can move here or this way. It's B1. So we'll be entering this value. This is 24.39. Press the tab to move to the next. Then 3.77. Then next, click on this block 2. This is 24.09. Press tab key. The next is 3.15. Then this, then come here. The third one is 26.77. Then 3.51. Then 4, block 4 is 20.66. Press tab key. 2.76. Press enter. Then block 5, 18.77. Tab key. 3.17. Enter key. Or the left arrow key, or you can use arrow key to move it. Then 6 is 26.92. 3.07. Enter key. Then 727. 24.54. Enter key. 2.23. Cross check. It's in kilometer. And by this supposed to be in kilometer. In kilometer. This one in kilometer per degree Celsius. Now we have this safe. Then this is the 8th one. For the 8th, come here. 18.32. Tab key 2.59. We are picking the value from here. Then enter key. Then block 9. Then we have 31.18. Enter. Tab key, 2.42. Then enter now. Let's check. That is it. Then block 10 is 30.34. Tab key 2.41. Enter key. 11. For 11 is 19.91. Tab key 2.06. Enter key. Ctrl S to save. Then block 12. 18.31. Tab key 2.47. Enter key. Then we have 13. We have 17.02. Tab key 2.37. 14. 17.94. Tab key 2.93. 15. Then 16.05. Tab key 3.48. We have this. Then the last one is block 16. it is 15.71, tab key 2.8. This is what we have. Let's go back and cross check. Let's start the first one. 2438. Just cross check. Just cross check. 18.75. Okay. It's 8. 1 by 8 is 18.32. Okay. 2.59. So you can see everything here is correct. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13 values. You are looking at here, these values. Then 14, okay, then 15, 1605, 348, and lastly, and 16. This is what we have. Then now we expand this block, then we save. Now what we need to do now is to copy these first two, Control C, then Control N together. Then you paste. Then you come here, this longitude, you change it to capital X, capital Y, then this is Z. Then now this we're going to take, we take the Curie depth. This is the Curie depth. This value, Control C. Then we'll come here, right click, paste value only. Click on the space value only. As you can see, the value is this. So can I remove the formatting? No border. Select this one, no color. No fill. Bold. So this is what we have. You can see those are the values we have, which you can center them once to. So this save, and data aeromagnetic, but this time around I will save this as a CSV copper delimited. This is Curie depth. So we have saved Curie depth. All you need to do is to copy back these two, Control C, Control N. I will paste there. I'll go to the Curie depth. We press the escape key, keyword, and we'll close. I will come to the geothermal gradients, this part, and Control C, go to that one we open. This is Z, you write Z, and here you say Control P. Now because we have entered value, we need to go back. Then Control C to copy. Go back, right click, you say paste values. See? But we need to format that values into 3 places of decimal. Click on this, enter 1 0, again become 3. Then center it. Then click on this, center it. Then now save. Click on this command delimited. Geothermal gradients. So we have the two thermal gradients. Save. Then I'll copy the first 2 columns. Control C, Control N. Then we'll paste it. There's the escape key. Save. Then delete this one. Then Z, this. Then we'll first center it. Then we'll go to this one. Then we'll select this one. Control C. Then we'll come here, we'll paste values only. Then right click, format cell, then 3. So this is what we have now. Okay, save. Under this command delimited, it flow geothermal for the aromatic is what we have. Commas limited file, the limited file, these are the how we carry them. We can now save this one. So those are the ones we have. Carry out the geothermal. We're able to see this in the next couple of videos. We'll see how to create those contour map in software as well in OIAS montage. That's what we have for the aeromagnetic to now get the Curie depth, geothermal and its flow.